Good day, everyone. Welcome back to today's class from Code Spark Academy. Do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification for more videos. So, moving on right away. In the last class, we talked about sprite and backdrop. And we said sprite is basically the character we use in Scratch, while the backdrop is the background. So in today's class, we're going to focus how to add sprites and add little animations to them. So let's dive right away. So first thing we want to do, we want to delete this sprite. So let me click on this trash icon. So let me add a car sprite. So you can either scroll down or you can search here. So let's look for, we have convertible 2. That's the name of our car. So it's a sprite. Let's drag it all the way down. Then the next thing, we want to choose a suitable backdrop for it. So let's go to backdrop. I'm sure we all still remember how to use a backdrop. We want to use a backdrop called Night City. Okay, so you can see it looks nice. Let me just place it here. Good. Now in Scratch programming, the very first code block we need to use, we have different categories here. Right? All these are categories. Motion is for movement. Looks is for basically the appearance, or when you want your sprite to say something, we use looks. Sound is for you to add your own personalized sound. It can be music, it can be your voice note, a voiceover, or so. Event is simply when you want something to happen, right? While control has to do with loops or repetition of something, right? So let's use these few categories we've learned to create a simple animation. Now, the very first code block that you must use in Scratch programming should be when green flag click. Now, it's not a must, right? But most times you want to be able to start your animation or your games, right, when you click on the green flag. So that's why we have to use when green flag click. And we can get that on the event category. So you can see it here. We want to drag it to our space. All right. Now we want our car to move. And remember, I said motion is for movement. So we want our car to move. So we want to click on this and we have move 10 steps. Now you can customize this 10. You can change it to any number you want, but let's leave it as move 10 steps. So let's click on our green flag. Watch the car carefully. So when I click on it, you can see it's moving. As I'm clicking on the green flag, our car is moving. But then it won't be nice playing a game or having animation whereby you'll be clicking on the green flag always. So what we want to do, we want our car to move without stopping, right? So we have something called forever. Now, forever is a loop, right? It goes on over and over again without stopping, as the word says, forever. So we want to grab the forever code block and we want to put move 10 steps inside. So watch when I click on green flag, our car moved forever. But then we have a problem. Our car is stuck at the edge. How do we fix that? We want it in such a way that when our car hits the edge, it should be able to bounce back. So it will go to and fro. So a quick fix to that is motion. When we go back to motion and we scroll down, we have a code block here that says if on edge bounce. Now, what it will do is anytime the car touches the edge, it will return back. And when it touches this edge, it will return back. That way our car can go to and fro. So let me move it and put it in the forever loop. Now, we want it to test the condition always. But here again, we have a problem. Our car is returning upside down. And of course, you can have a car driving upside down, right? So a quick fix to it is still in the motion category. We have a block called set rotation style left and right. We want to drag this and put it at the very top here. Now, when we click on green flag again, you can see our car is moving. I'm sure we understand today's class. It's just a simple animation. We have a sprite, we have a backdrop, and we're using our code block. See you in the next class. Bye.